Games in Myanmar. Mark Anthony Domingo, Athletics, gold and silver medalist at the 2024 Palarong Pambansa. Jemuel James Espiritu, archery, gold medalist at the 2024 Palarong Pambansa. Eduardo Daquila Jr., basketball, player for the Parañaque Patriots in the Maharlika, Pilipinas Basketball League. Ilocos Norte Junior baseball and softball teams. Men's track, Philippine representative, 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics. Roger Tapia, athletics, gold and double silver medalist at the 2011 ASEAN Para Games and Philippine representative, 2012 London Paralympics. Ladies and gentlemen, the Palarong Pambansa 2025 Light Beam. Kagayem din kakagsa, lain matangan, sangsangayan na presentasyon, tema kanta ang tatawin, at kay-kaysa na archipelago. Ladies and gentlemen, behold an exceptional rendition of this year's theme song, United Archipelago.